Hello friends, today I am unboxing a new brand phone, Comio C2 Lite. Yes friend, this company give you 6-month screen breakage warranty and 15th month manufacturer warranty. This phone comes with 5 megapixel front camera with selfie flash and 8 megapixel rear camera with 4K lens. This phone runs with quad-core processor 1.3 GHz and Android Nougat 7, and it has 5-inch LED IPS display. Friends, this phone runs with 1.5 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM. Friends, company gives you a airtight headphone that is pretty good, and a back cover, and also a extra protection glass with this box. Phone is pretty good. It has 2.5D curved glass display. Friends, subscribe my channel if you like this. Friends, this company gives you 4000 mAh battery with this phone. That is a big massive battery. You can run this phone with this battery very good and properly. I think the phone is ready. Let's check the camera. Camera is pretty good, friend. It's awesome. Really, it's a good camera. This camera is very good. Let's check front camera, selfie camera. Selfie is also good. This camera mention is